welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this teal look, and obviously you guys already know that I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill Morphe Palette, so if you want to know how I achieve this look, please keep on watching.
Alright guys, so I already primed my eyelid for my eyeshadow, and let's jump right in. So the first color I'm going to go in is with this here. That is the shade Silk Cream, and that is going to go all over our lid. Alright, the next color we're going to go in is going to be these two colors actually, Creamsicle and Butter. That is going to go right in our crease. Next, we're going to go in with the color Hunts. And it's going to go right under the color we just placed. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go in with the color Jada, and this is going to be our teal color on our lid.
I am going to go back in with my fluffy Real Techniques brush and blend a little bit on the edges. As you guys can see, it got rid of a little bit of that Jada color, so I'm going to go back in and pack it back on.
And now I'm going to go ahead and remove all my powder and be right back. Alright guys, this is the final look. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.